sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
All right, Fuzz Pie Guy here. You ever wonder what's inside one of these Amazon Alexas? Now, this is I think the first generation Dot from several years ago. And to access this, you gotta peel the rubber off the bottom and a little piece of kind of like a plastic to access the four Torx screws. So I went ahead and already removed two of them. So I didn't open this up yet, but must be a magnet in there. Imagine that. So let's see what kind of tracking device is in this. But anyway, here it is. So first off, I don't use these things. I got a couple of these. So I don't mind tearing it apart because I'm not going to use them again anyway. So here's what it looks like. Got your switches there. So if we peel this back, we have a little ribbon cable. So if we pry up on that like such, that worked. There's what that looks like. Then we have the following. Little piece of plastic. Got a piece of rubber here. And we have a piece of like aluminum type stock. Then this board just sets in there. There's what's on the other side. Now let's see if we can figure this out. All right, so we have that down there. Then like I said, I think it's a magnet. Yep. I don't think it comes off. But I wonder what's all inside this. Because it does look like it comes apart. So let me get this open. All right, so the magnet's obviously the speaker. So there that is. Got that little connector type thing there. Don't break anything. All right, so now let's pry this up and see what's under here. All right, so there's what's under that guy. I don't know if we can get this apart or not. That's just like a piece of rubber that's really on there. So we might let that on there because it is definitely glued into place. So there's what we have inside of the Alexa Dot. And like I said, this is an old one, so the newer ones obviously might look a little bit different, but I'm not going to get one to tear it apart. So, but as you can see, there's not too much to it other than mainly these two guys. So, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one.